In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install PGSharp on BlueStacks 2026 full guide. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download BlueStacks from the official BlueStacks website. Make sure you're using the official source so you avoid any modified installers or outdated versions. Once the download is complete, install BlueStacks on your Windows PC just like any other program and then go ahead and launch it after the installation finishes. Next, you'll want to create an Android instance that works with PGSharp. If needed, open the BlueStacks multi-instance manager and create a new Android instance there. This part matters because PGSharp's current requirement is Android 9 or above, so be sure the instance you create matches that requirement. If you choose the wrong Android version, the app may not install or run properly. After that, open a browser inside BlueStacks, such as Chrome or any other browser that's already available. From there, go to the official PGSharp website. It's important to use the official site so you're downloading the correct and most current version of the app. Once you're on the PGSharp download page, download the current Android APK. At the time shown in this guide, the official site lists version 1.261.0. Version numbers can change over time, so always use whatever the current official release is when you're installing it. When the APK finishes downloading, open it inside BlueStacks and begin the installation. Follow the Android installation prompts as they appear. If BlueStacks asks for permission to install apps from that source, allow it so the installation can continue successfully. After installation is complete, return to the BlueStacks home screen and look for the PGSharp icon. Click it to launch the app. Once it opens, sign in using the supported login method displayed by PGSharp. Only enter your account details through the legitimate login screen inside the app and never share passwords or verification codes with anyone else. When you're signed in, take a moment to review the PGSharp settings and features. Depending on the current version, you may see options like a joystick, custom walking, location tools, a map, and a cooldown timer. It's a good idea to look through these settings before moving on so you understand how the app is configured. From there, launch Pokémon GO through the supported PGSharp setup by following the instructions shown in the app itself. Avoid downloading random APKs or modified files from third-party websites. Finally, test the installation. Confirm that PGSharp opens correctly and check that Pokémon GO loads normally. If you run into an authentication, GPS, or compatibility error, check PGSharp's current knowledge base instead of relying on outdated fixes.